going to do a combination recipe where we're going to take and make hot wings in the SM160, and then we're going to chill those, and then we're going to rethermalize them in the PZ400 pizza oven. We're going to start by making our own rub, and then we'll continue on into the smoker, and then chilled, and then back into the pizza oven. I'm going to start with a half a cup of paprika, and then a quarter cup of kosher salt, quarter cup of coarse ground black pepper, quarter cup of garlic powder, quarter cup of onion powder, 2.5 tablespoons of dried oregano, and 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. And we're just going to mix this together, and this is going to be our rub then for our wings. Then I'm going to take the wings and just lightly dust them in our rub. And these will go into the SM160, and we'll cook these at 250 degrees for 1 hour. We'll be using hickory wood as our smoke today. And for this number of wings, we'll just put about a 1 ounce chunk of wood into the 160. So we had our wings chilled down, and so we got an order for a dozen wings. So we're just going to take and run them through our sauce real quick. This is just Frank's Red Hot. Put them into our pan, and then we're going to put them in the PZ400 to rewarm them. And we'll rewarm them at 700 degrees for 3 minutes. Here's the wings after we finish them in the pizza oven. We cook them for right at 3 minutes at 700 degrees, and it gets them nice and rewarmed and ready to be served. If you have some interest in the Cookshack PZ400, give us a call at 1-800-423-0698 or visit us on the web at www.cookshack.com.